Hey, what's up guys? Houston here. Look, this video is about the best credit unions you can join that would actually give you a quick cash loan. So basically, if you have bad credit and you need a loan up to $2,000-3,000 and no credit check, well, these are some of the top credit unions. Navy Federal does not offer quick cash loans, okay? So they don't offer those type of loans. But this here, DCU, Digital Credit Union, they offer these quick cash loans up to $2,000, okay? And it's very easy to get these loans from them. Now with DCU, how you can join them is actually you can join Reach Out for Schools for $10. Now with DCU, when you join and stuff, they may do a hard pull on your credit, which is going to be your FICO 5 mortgage score. Okay, so they won't look at your FICO 8 or your FICO 9. Now, for some of you all may not know about your mortgage score or how to utilize it, there's a link below. You can actually get your real credit score, and you can schedule a one-on-one consultation so I can show you how to actually take advantage of your different credit scores, okay? That being said, with this here DCU quick cash loan, it's easy, no hidden fees or credit checks. Like I said, they don't even do a credit check for this loan, and it's up to $2,000, and it's to help you build your credit, okay? So you're going to be making payments back, and it's going to be reporting to the credit bureaus, all right? And also, they don't charge you a prepayment penalty. Now, here's the thing about it. I would tell you guys, if you take out this type of loan from DCU, don't rush to pay the loan back, okay? Spread the loan anywhere from 12 to 24 months, all right? And you can do it like we do with the Navy Federal hack. Say that you borrowed a $2,000 and you just trying to build up your credit. You can pay down at least 85% of it and then spread the rest of the loan out over 12 to 24 months, okay? If you're trying to build your credit up and to get a higher credit line, all right? And definitely it's a primary trade line on your credit file, okay? So that's DCU. Now, the next one is OE Federal Credit Union. Okay, now OE Federal Credit Union, they offer quick loans as well. Now theirs go up to $3,000. Okay, they're located in California. Now with their situation is, I'm pretty sure you can join. They usually want you to be some type of like union, and some type of union, like if you're in construction or nurses or something like that, but you still should be able to join. They possibly, you can join by opening up a shared account. There's always an opportunity to join this here. Now again, like their loans are from 1,000 up to 3,000. Okay, and so they offer 12 months to pay back the loans. There's no early penalty. They have a fixed rate. Okay, and it also helps with building up the credit. Okay, so that's one of the good things about this, that you're able to still continue to build up your credit while building a relationship with them. And they offer business credit cards. That's one of the things I always tell you guys, when you're joining a credit union, make sure that they're offering business credit cards, business lines of credit. So as your credit gets stronger and everything, you're able to switch from the personal credit cards over to the business credit cards. So that way, if you need to max out your business credit cards, it doesn't affect your personal credit. Unity Credit Union of Florida. All right. Now, the reason I like them is because their situation is this. You can open up an account with them with a shared account, all right? But the interesting thing about it, if you look, they not only offer like quick cash loans, but they offer payday loans as well. So with the quick cash loans going from 200 up to 2,000, no credit check, that's something that's really helpful to somebody that's needing money right away, okay? Now, there's no application fees, 6 months of payment back up to $1,000, but for $2,000 is longer, 12 months, right? Now, here's the thing about it. You get to choose your own due date. on these quick cash loans. Now, some of you all may be wondering, well, why would I want such a small amount or whatever? Again, you may have an emergency come up. You may need to fix your car. Hey, it's graduation season. You may be wanting to do something nice for your child or nephew or something, or you just may want a few dollars in your pocket or whatever. And this is definitely an opportunity to take advantage of it. Okay. Now, the unfortunate thing about it, like I said, with active military is not eligible. All right, so that's the unfortunate thing. But they also offer a payday loan, okay? And their payday loans go from $1,000 up to $2,500. No application fee, all right? And they give you 24 months on this payday loan. 24 months, that's 2 years that they're letting it spread out. Okay, that way if you have other payday loans, you can actually just use this money to pay those off. All right, and so what you would need is proof of income and current address on that. So that's definitely a very good opportunity right there. In terms of how to join, the way to join, like I said, is a shared savings account. Opening up a shared savings account with them, okay? Also, with this here credit union, guys, they offer skip a payment also. So when you take out the loan and say that you need to skip a payment or something like that, they actually offer that on their loans and everything. So that's very good. Now, let's skip over here. Now, I recently made a video about the United States Senate Federal Credit Union. And I was telling people that it's much easier to join them because you can join them through the American Consumer Council. You can join them through the American Consumer Council, but their interest rates are better than Navy Federal. I did a comparison. I'll put the link in the description, but their interest rates are better than Navy Federal. Okay. Now, in terms of like their payday loan or something like that, they offer the Easy Line. Theirs is called the Easy Line. And so the minimum is 100 and it goes up to 1,000. All right. And they have a fixed rate of 18%. All right. But in terms of when you can't get into Navy Federal, I would say this community credit union, all three of these other credit unions are very top-notch credit unions that you should consider, all right? Or excuse me, all four of these credit unions, because again, where you may be running low on funds, where Navy Federal, you may not qualify for a personal loan and they don't offer quick loans and stuff like that. These type of lenders actually will loan you money. Okay, and so it's no hard pull on the credit. Now, yes, there are regular banks out there that do the same, but at the same time, if you're looking for a credit union to join, because credit unions have more flexibility, especially when you have challenging credit, to be able to give you more funding. Now, this other lender is not a credit union, but what it is a network. And so with Viva Loans, the criteria, they give you loans anywhere from $100 up to $15,000. All right. So here's some of the basic criteria, and it's no hard pull on the credit. So now you're going to have 5 different institutions that you can actually turn to be able to get access to funding. Now, some of you all may ask, well, how many of these quick cash loans you can take out? Well, for each lending institution, you can take out a loan. All right. So each lending institution doesn't dictate the other one. All right. So just keep that in mind. I would say if you're trying to get multiple loans and stuff, then you may want to look at a lender that may offer you a higher limit. So that's where Viva Loans comes in at, right? Because they offer loans up to $15,000 and no hard pull on the credit. And as you can see here, what are the criteria? U.S. citizen, 18. You have to have a minimum at least $1,000 a month in income. Okay. Proof of address, bank statements, your latest Paystubs slips, or again, if you don't have a Paystubs or whatever, but you have disability and stuff like that, they still will work with you. So if you're fresh out of a bankruptcy, Viva Loans will work with you. If you're in check system, Viva Loans will work with you. So you have these here options, okay? And you have to have a U.S. active bank account, all right? So if you have any other questions about quick cash loans or personal loans, or how to remove negative items off of your personal credit, or get personal funding or business credit funding, click the link in the description. Schedule a one-on-one consultation. Thank you.